Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi skipped to Grandma's house. Yummy lunch, she giggled. Grandma made her favorite pasta. Mimi sat down so excited. Mimi loved pasta. She quickly scooped a big forkful, chewed with her mouth open, and tried to tell Grandma something important. Oops, pasta went flying a little. Grandma smiled gently. Sweetheart, she said softly, let's try to take small bites and chew with our mouths closed. Then we can talk. It's much nicer. Mimi watched Grandma. She took a tiny bite, slowly chewed with her mouth closed. It felt a bit strange at first, but then she swallowed and smiled. Grandma clapped softly. Perfect, Mimi. Mimi kept trying. Soon, she ate all her pasta politely. No more mess. She felt so proud and happy eating with Grandma.